So how you can actually upload a video on YouTube? It's very simple. My name is FJ and I'm gonna show you that how you can simply upload a video on YouTube. So please stay tuned. So welcome back. Let's see. First of all, you have to open YouTube. Then you have to sign in to upload a video, because you have to make sure that you have an account if you want to upload a video on YouTube. So first of all, you have to sign in. Now make sure that you have a Google account. If you have one, then there is no problem. Otherwise, you have to make one to actually sign in into YouTube. So I have. After you have signed in into your Google account, please wait a bit. Let me reload. After you have opened your account, Google account, YouTube account, all you have to do is press this button, upload, and then you have to wait a bit to open the tab, and after that you have to choose your file. Now there are some options here if you want to photo slideshow or a video editor, but actually I have never used them because they are not that much important. So all you have to do that you have to select a file. So let me select one. Then it will take some time to upload. While it is uploading, you can add description to the video, and these are tags. Remember, tags are the most important part of the video, because if someone is searching, the Google search your video through the tags. So make sure that the tags are related to your videos, and please don't upload any kind of stupid tags, because they will just be useless to your videos. You can choose it public, private. You can schedule your video, and this is very simple actually, and you can actually monetize your video if you have a content that is made by you, and it does not contain any copyrights, so you can monetize it and you can earn money through it. As you can see that the video has been completed, and I can publish it, but I will not because it actually copyright. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please do subscribe my channel because I am new, and please like the video, click the thumbs up button, and if you have any feedback or comments, please tell me, because I am starting my work and I really need your feedback. Thanks for watching my video, guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.